Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, it is a pleasure to serve you guys by doing these videos. So let's get started. I wanted to come to you guys with a quick Goodwill haul, and I want to go ahead and apologize in advance if you see any paint on my hands or my arm. I have been literally painting all day long. So let's get started with this haul. So I figured the Goodwill would be a really good place to get some of the items. I also do yard sales, but I couldn't find anything at the yard sales. Normally when I go to Goodwill, I do have a hard time finding stuff, but today God definitely was with me because I captured some amazing stuff. So I won't ramble too long. Let's get started. The first item I got were these white salt and pepper shakers. You know what? I should have taken this out. Let me pause the video. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Like I said, I got a set of salt and pepper shakers from Goodwill, and just look at these guys. These are so beautiful. I love the details right here. I don't know if you can see, just absolutely gorgeous. It's in white, which is one of my favorite colors. It was actually $4 for the set, but today blue and red tags were 50% off, so I got them for $1.99 for the pair, so 99 cents each. And as you can see right here, see, it says $3.99, and like I said, blue tags were 50% off. Now you guys know my like for coffee mugs, so when I walked in, these were the first items that I saw. I mean, there's nothing special about them. I got two, but if you look real closely, you can almost see like a hint of gray. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but the reason I got it is because of the size. I like, when I drink coffee, I try to get the biggest cup that I can get to drink my coffee. The price for these were 99 cents each. Okay. Okay, 99 cents each. Then I got also this one here that says the most wonderful time of the year, and it's this coffee mug right here. Okay. Now on the two coffee mugs that I just showed you guys, I am going to be doing a DIY on it. So if you'd like to see me do that, please leave a comment down below. I didn't want to spend a lot of money, so that's why I went to the Goodwill. And I got 4 of these plates. There were 3. No, I'm sorry. They were $1.99. And again, $1.99 with the red tag being 50% off. So I got 4 sets of plates for $1. I just thought that was absolutely a wonderful deal. And it's this plate right here. It does have a little bit of detailing right here. Super, super heavy. And it's from Mainstay, which is Walmart brand. So I figured that was a good deal. 25 cents a plate. Really, really awesome. But I got 4 bowls. I'm trying to take this off real quick. I apologize, guys. Okay. And this is who they're by. Okay, there you go. Okay, I got 4 of these, and I want you guys to see the detail on this bowl. I mean, just look at that. Just absolutely gorgeous. When I saw this, I was like, oh my God, I have to have this in my collection. And it was 4 pieces for $3.99. I messed up the tag right here, but you know, you see the little blue sticker right here. So I ended up paying $1.99 for these bowls. I mean, isn't this absolutely gorgeous? So kind of excited about that. Let me show you the price before I start peeling it off. You see right here, it was $2.99. And when I looked on the back of it, it said ME, and I was like, what does that mean? No, it says MSE. So I looked it up online, and MSE is a Martha Stewart brand. And the salad plates online were $11.99 a plate. And I got 4 for $3. And I want you guys to see the detail on this. Can you see that? Just look at it. It's like leaves for the fall. And then it has this also on the inside. I mean, just absolutely beautiful. I could not leave this in the store. So 75 cents a plate. I'm taking that. I got the salad plates. The dinner plates for the salad plates. Also for $3. I didn't understand it, but hey, a deal is a deal. And again, this is Martha Stewart line. Again, you see the leaves on this, just absolutely gorgeous. And then right here, the detail. Now this was $3, but I want to show you this real quick. One of the plates, which is this one right here, had a teeny tiny crack right here. And if you can see it on the back, right here. So I asked the manager, would they discount it because of the chip? She ended up giving me the whole set for $1.99. So I save $1, 25 cents off of each. So you cannot beat that. I mean, I was just so excited. Woo! As a matter of fact, one of my customers, she was in there and she was like, oh my God, that's an amazing deal. And one of these plates on Martha Stewart online is $19.99. And I got 4 for $2. I got 4 of these. Even when I was paying for the cashier, she was like, oh my God, this is so beautiful. I got this napkin. I got 4 of these. Just look at this, guys. Look at the detail on this. It's like they crocheted half and then the other half is just cotton. Just absolutely gorgeous. See, and I guess this is how it's supposed to be displayed. When I saw this, and this, guys, believe it or not, was only 49 cents each. I'm not sure if it's a drinking glass or if it's a candle holder, but I will be using it as a candle holder. And each one was $3, but again, it has the blue tag, and the blue tags were 50% off. Isn't this gorgeous? But on one of them, let me see if I can see which one it is. Okay, it's this one. You can see right here, it has, I don't know if you can see it right here, there's like this teeny tiny little chip right here. And again, I asked if I could get a discount off. So instead of them starting it at $3, she did it at $2 and then the 50% off. So I ended up paying just $1 for this. That's the end of my haul. But like I said, I'm so busy painting. I love doing this, guys. I mean, I'm so new to the channel, but I just absolutely love doing this for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. I would really appreciate it. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Y'all take care, be blessed, and I will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.